Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the Accounting and Payroll Program Preview. I'll give you a rundown on these two programs available for you here at McMaster Continuing Education. My name is Monica Beelan, and I'll be facilitating the session today. So to get started, let's dive into talking about our accounting program offerings. There are 4 accounting program streams to choose from. Both the Diploma in Accounting and Certificate in Advanced Accounting will help you qualify for entrance into the Chartered Professional Accountants Professional Education Program, or PEP for short. In addition to this, they will both help you progress through various levels of an organization, from entry level to the top executive position in any type of organization. Our Diploma in Advanced Accounting and Finance and our Certificate in Advanced Accounting and Finance are designed for those preparing to write the CPA's National ACAF designation. These programs are aimed at those looking to apply for junior and intermediate level accounting jobs in business, not-for-profit, government, as well as CPA supervised positions in public accounting. More on the ACAF in a moment. Our accounting programs are offered in formats designed to meet your needs, availability, and learning preferences. Choose from online self-study, in-person part-time or full-time, or blended. Our online self-study format provides continuous bi-monthly intake, so you can start anytime throughout the year. For convenience, you don't have to worry about being present at a specific day or time. Log in when it's convenient for you. Those taking an online self-study format can either work at the course pace or accelerate through the course and finish ahead of the posted course end date as early as 2 months and a day post-course start date. We advise students to anticipate dedicating about 9 to 12 hours per week per course to cover time for readings, online discussions, videos, and assessments. If taking an in-person course offering, you can choose to study part-time, 3 hours in person per week, blended, a combination of in-person and online, or fast track, which is a full-time equivalency. All in-person courses are held at our downtown Hamilton campus. Learners can mix and match course formats. Please be advised that we will not be running in-person courses for the spring term in light of the current situation. By completing one of our accounting programs, you'll receive a certificate or diploma from McMaster University Continuing Education. In addition to this, courses completed under the Diploma in Accounting or Certificate in Advanced Accounting can be used to work towards your Chartered Professional Accountants, or CPA for short, designation. While courses completed under a certificate or diploma in advanced accounting and finance will help you prepare to write the CPA's Advanced Certificate in Accounting and Finance, or ACAF for short, national examination. It is important to note that the ACAF program has been discontinued. As such, the program is being phased out. Students near completion of the ACAF certificate will have the opportunity to finish outstanding coursework and write the last ACAF national exam in February 2021. If you plan to complete the requirements necessary to sit the final examination through McMaster Continuing Education, contact us to review a study plan before enrolling. Fall 2020 will be the final semester in which ACAF preparatory courses need to qualify for the final ACAF examination will be offered via Continuing Education. There's no application required to enroll in accounting. Simply go to our website and enroll online, so long as you meet the criteria shown. You must have an Ontario Secondary School diploma or equivalent, or be a mature student, or be deemed an exceptional case. Please ensure you meet McMaster's English language proficiency requirements if you're a new Canadian or an international student. You can refer to the website for more information. Career opportunities available to those who complete our diploma in accounting may include accounting assistant, financial reporting clerk, accounting technician, accounts payable and accounts receivable administrator, just as some examples. Career opportunities available to those who complete the diploma in accounting or certificate in advanced accounting, along with their CPA designation, include management accountant, finance director, portfolio accountant, controller, financial analyst, chief financial officer, auditor, management advisor, strategic management consultant, nonprofit executive director. So when will I finish? In terms of time commitment, any of the accounting programs can be completed on your own schedule. In-person and online courses take 6 to 8 hours per week per course to complete over the span of 13 to 14 weeks. Online self-study courses take 9 to 12 hours per week per course to complete over the span of 3 to 5 months. The biggest difference with an online self-study course is that you decide when to do the work every week, since you're not required to be physically in a classroom for 3 hours of instruction like the in-person courses. You will have due dates and timelines to follow, which are noted in the course schedule when you first log into your course. Those taking online self-study can accelerate ahead of the schedule, submitting assignments ahead of posted due dates, and sit the final examination as early as 2 months post-start date. Many of our students take between 1 to 2 courses per term. You can take this program part-time or fast-track. So the accelerated fast-track option, the diploma in accounting can also be completed within 10 months in what we call our fast-track or accelerated format. Fast-track accelerated courses meet twice per week over the course of 7 weeks and is considered a full-time equivalency program. Due to the intensity of the compacted course, you can expect to spend more time weekly in order to complete the courses. We typically would advise to have at least 24 to 30 hours available per week to dedicate to your studies. For assignments and grades, each course is uniquely planned, and you can expect any combination of the following depending on format: assignments, group discussions, quizzes, exams, case studies, and research papers to assess your learning. For online self-study courses, you can expect 40% of the weight of your final grade based on assignments and 60% weight based on a cumulative proctored final exam. Most self-study courses include instructional videos, and in some courses, we have created webinars in order to engage students with their instructors and classmates. These webinars are live, but don't worry, if you can't make a live session, they are recorded for you to access later. All online self-study courses include a proctored final exam worth 60%. It is important to note that you must pass the final exam to pass the course. As of March 15, final exams are administered online through Examity, a live remote proctoring service. Course materials. All of our courses require a textbook or a course pack. Most course materials cost approximately $100 to $175 per course, but sometimes they may cost a little bit more. Those materials are purchased separately after you enroll and pay for a course. Materials can be purchased online at McMaster's campus store website. It is important to note that ebooks are not permitted in open book examinations. And now I'd like to spend a few minutes reviewing our payroll programs. Continuing education is partnered with the Canadian Payroll Association, also called the CPA, on 2 programs that not only assist learners in completing the requirements needed for Canadian Payroll Association certification, but also provide the opportunity to earn a university credential in the process, or what we'd like to refer to as a 2-in-1 credential. Let's take a look at what this means and how you can complete both your CPA certification and a McMaster University academic certificate simultaneously. For those new to payroll, you might consider taking our Payroll Compliance Practitioner Certificate, which will provide the foundational knowledge and skills to work in the payroll profession. To qualify for McMaster University's Payroll Compliance Practitioner Certificate, registrants complete 5 core courses. The Canadian Payroll Association's CPM certification, or Certified Payroll Manager, is the next step for PCP certification holders looking to enter a management position. Payroll compliance practitioners can pursue their CPM through McMaster University's Canadian Payroll Management Certificate, giving you the valuable payroll compliance and management skills needed to advance. To qualify for McMaster University's certificate in Canadian Payroll Management, registrants must complete 5 courses. Pursuing your payroll studies through McMaster University provides you with the opportunity to earn a McMaster University credential in tandem with your Canadian payroll certification, a 2-in-1 credential opportunity that will help you stand apart from others. McMaster Continuing Education is known for its academic caliber, flexible study options, and top quality course facilitators who bring the real world to the classroom. As an added benefit, courses offered under continuing education programming carry academic credit equivalent to a half-year undergraduate course. What this means is that upon completion of a McMaster University certificate, learners may be eligible for advanced standing towards degree studies. Our payroll programs are offered in formats designed to meet your needs, availability, and learning preferences. Choose from online self-study, in-person, part-time, or blended. It should be noted that if you wish to take a payroll-specific course online, such as Payroll Fundamentals 1 or Introduction to Payroll Management, you would register directly with the Canadian Payroll Association. If taking one of the business courses, such as Business Communications, Introductory Financial Accounting, in the online self-study format, you would register with McMaster University. We advise students to anticipate dedicating about 9 to 12 hours per week per course to cover time for readings, online discussions, videos, and assessments. There's no application required to enroll in either of our payroll certificate programs. Simply go to our website and enroll online, so long as you meet the criteria shown. This criteria is the same that was mentioned in the accounting programs. In addition to the general educational admission requirements, both certificates have specific payroll entrance requirements. Learners pursuing the Canadian Payroll Association's Payroll Compliance Practitioner Certificate must have at least 1 year of weighted payroll experience obtained within 5 years before or 5 years after the start of the payroll compliance legislation course. Students who wish to enter the certificate in Canadian Payroll Management and who wish to pursue their CPM certification through the Canadian Payroll Association must be a certified Canadian Payroll Compliance Practitioner and have at least 2 years of experience with responsibility for an organization's payroll function obtained in the past 5 years, including being accountable to management for the accuracy of employees' pay and all government statutory remittances or equivalent experience. So what I want to do right now is just show you our website to show you some helpful links. I'm sure you've all been on here to register for this session, so our website is mcmastercce.ca. To find these programs, you'd click on Programs, and it would be under the Business section. So first, for accounting, the helpful links that you'll find in this page would be course descriptions, which would show you course prerequisites, but we also have a separate link here labeled course prerequisites. As almost every course has a course prerequisite, you do want to check that out before you register for a course to ensure that you do have the appropriate background for a course before you register for it. Course outline, so if you'd like to see what's covered in each course, we have previous samples of course outlines listed here. Schedule and fees is where you'll see what courses we're offering when and how much the courses cost. Information about our instructors, the admission requirements that we discussed, the requirements for the accounting diploma, requirements for the advanced certificate in accounting, and the other two programs we mentioned, information about the chartered professional accountants, lots of details about how the online, blended, or in-person courses are offered. So that's helpful if you're brand new to online studies and you're going to do an online course. Find this is a helpful link to review. Transfer credits, information about future degree studies, some FAQs, careers in accounting, so lots of helpful information. So I always encourage anybody, before you take a program, read through all the links so you fully understand where you're going and what you're taking and all the components. You might not need it right now, but it might be helpful information for the future. And then for the payroll programs under business as well, you click on payroll. Same thing here, outlines, course descriptions, schedule and fees, instructors, mission requirements, information about both of the payroll programs, and so on. So that covers the same details. So just want to make sure you're aware of all that information on our website. Our contact information is on the screen there. So our email, conted, CONTED, @mcmaster.ca. Again, my name is Monica and I have a colleague, Sarah. We do the same thing and we're familiar with these programs. So if you need any help with registration or study planning, whatever it may be, feel free to reach out to us. If we don't have the answer, we'll connect you to the right person. So feel free to connect with us. And our spring enrollment opens next Tuesday, March 24th. You don't necessarily have to register on that day, but if you want to, I wouldn't recommend registering on the last day, just in case if you have any difficulties registering. You want to give yourself at least a week before the course begins, just to get registered, make sure that's all good, and have time to order your textbooks, because it takes about 3 to 5 business days if you're in Ontario, Canada, for those books to come out to you. So give yourself the time to get all of that together. So anyways, it was a pleasure having you guys on. If you have any further questions, you know how to reach us, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Take care.